In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Active Trader on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Trade tab up top, and then you want to click on Active Trader, and this is where you can basically use it. So the first thing you can do here, of course, is select whatever you want to trade. So if I want to go ahead and trade, for example, Apple over here, I'm going to type it in. There we go. I'm going to populate the chart like this. Okay, that's cool. And then, of course, you could navigate the chart just like you can inside the Chart tab. You could go ahead and draw on it. You can do your technical analysis. You can move it around and do whatever, add indicators, different styles, etc. And then here on the right, whenever you're ready to buy, you could just go ahead and click on buy or sell, and it's going to pop up this order confirmation dialog. And of course, you could go ahead and click on edit like you can always, and it's going to allow you to go ahead and customize your order. Here you can go ahead and select, for example, which order you want, market, limit, stop limit, whatever one you want. Here you could go ahead and select if you want extended hours, day, GTC, whatever you want, and then you can just go ahead and confirm and send whenever you are ready. Click on send again, and that's pretty much all you have to do, and that's how you can essentially use the Active Trader here on ThinkorSwim. Now, of course, depending on whatever you're trying to trade with the Active Trader, it's going to allow you to basically do things a bit differently. And up here on the right hand side, you can also select how many boxes or windows you want. You could go ahead and have one, you could go ahead and have like two, like we've seen earlier. You can have more. It's completely up to you. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.